What's up guys, my name is Joe, and in today's video, yes, iOS 13 is coming to an iPhone near you if you have iPhone 7 or above. Because apparently iPhone operating system, no one calls it iPhone operating system, iOS 13 won't be coming for the iPhone 6, 6S, and SE. We kind of knew that it won't be coming for the iPhone 5S, which is still supported by iOS 12. But we thought that maybe iPhone 6S and SE will still get the upgrade. But no, that's not the case. And I'll tell you why. There have been rumors that this will be a grand update over the iOS 12 update, since iOS 12 was only just fixing the mistakes they made in iOS 11. It was just getting everything on par, just getting all the performance bumps, smoothened out. And now that this is done, this year we focus on redesigning some of the aspects of the iOS operating system. We will be enjoying dark mode on our iOS operating system and dynamic wallpapers, and I think a bunch of new stuff that we still don't even know about. Now, why is Apple doing this? Why is Apple doing this to us? Well, one, I think they messed up real bad in the past couple of months, so they're trying to, put some of the features in that the general public wants, and dark mode seems to be one of them. I think they've been keeping this, just laying low. They didn't do it since they thought that once when we up, then we'll just pull this out and we give dark mode to the people and all will be forgotten. And you know what? I think that's the case. People seem to forget everything since now there's a new dark mode coming. Alongside that, there will be the dynamic wallpapers that we have seen on macOS Mojave last year, and our wallpaper on our iPhones will be changing as per the day goes on, just like on your MacBook. It's something cool since iPads, or to be precise, the iPad Pro is such a capable machine. It's capable of destroying the whole MacBook lineup if they perfect it. They need to make it so it can actually, beat the MacBook in productivity. And there are a lot of productivity apps for the iPad, but it's kind of different. It's still a mobile operating system. I think iPad needs its own iPadOS, where the whole design, the whole architecture is based around a larger display, or a larger touch display that can actually be mounted with keyboard and maybe a mouse if there would be some apps that would allow a mouse. Like you could have Final Cut Pro on an iPad and you can have mouse support for that. I think with today's technology, with the iPads that we see right now, with ones that have the Xbox One S capabilities of power and speed and everything, I think a lot of people would choose that as their main editing device instead of MacBook Pros maybe. I don't know. I probably would if I would have the opportunity. Now, because they are going to upgrade so much things, they need a lot of power for iOS 13, which iPhone 6S and SE might not have. I mean, they could get crippled versions of iOS 13, but no one really likes that. And of course, probably Apple doesn't like that they're not selling so much iPhones since they are, supporting iOS with iOS 12, the iPhone 5S. Maybe they just let go of iPhone 6, 6S, and SE, and people will have to buy at least the iPhone 7 if they want to join in the iOS 13 operating system. Anyway, those are my 2 cents. I'm really curious on where Apple is going with these. I'm actually happy that they're making updates for their operating system. We will see maybe some redesigns on the operating system. I'm looking forward for the iPad operating system, and I'm really interested on what you guys think, so please let me know. And don't forget, there's an iPhone XS giveaway. All you need to do is subscribe to this channel. There's a link in the description, fill out the form, and you're done. That's all you have to do. Share the video, yeah, that helps too. And you are qualified to win an iPhone XS internationally. So guys, what the hell are you waiting for? Check that link, hit the like button, subscribe, and until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.